Hello internet world, welcome to my review of the Cherry MX 3.0S Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. This was very kindly sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer, no money's changed hands. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm purely sharing with you my opinion of this product so you can make an informed buying decision. So let's start by taking a look at the box. It says here Mechanical Gaming Keyboard is RGB backlit as well. You can use it wired or wireless. The manufacturer is Cherry, really good peripheral manufacturer, and this uses MX mechanical key switch technology. If we take a look around the back of the box here, we've got some of the main features. So it says wireless gaming keyboard, high quality extruded aluminium housing, non-slip rubber feet. It's mechanical. It uses Cherry MX red switches. This particular one is a UK layout, I should mention. You can also configure the 16.8 million colours on that RGB backlighting. There's also sort of lighting effects as well. It uses Cherry advanced wireless technology for less than 1 millisecond latency, and you can connect it via cable. So as I mentioned earlier, you can use it wired, you can use it wireless, connected either via Bluetooth or via 2.4 gigahertz wireless technology. Now inside the box we get some instructions on how to get up and running. We get some little extra accessories here. I'm not sure what these are for, but there's some little extra accessories here. These might be sort of feet to raise and lower the back end of the keyboard. We've got the USB dongle for the RF 2.4 gigahertz connection. Of course you don't need that if you're using it via Bluetooth. We also get a charging cable, which is full-size USB to USB-C. Then of course we get the keyboard itself. This is a stunning keyboard. I absolutely love the look of it. Obviously it's a full-size keyboard with a numeric keypad. We've got the arrow keys just here as well. We've got some home, page and insert keys as we'd expect here. And what I've noticed about this latest iteration of Cherry keyboards is they use a really silky finish on the top of the keycaps. It really is very, very nice. It's smooth, but thanks to the shape of the keycaps, it's really comfortable to type on. Let's take a look at the side profile. So the side profile is really nice and modern. We've got these little tiny rubber feet on the bottom here as well. Metal casing, really very, very nice indeed. Then if we take a look at the back, we've got USB-C for charging just here. And then we've also got the on-off switch. So let's turn this on. And as we turn this on, you'll see the really nice backlighting. So this is the RGB backlighting. It's absolutely stunning. Very, very nice indeed. Really even backlighting. It just looks superb on your desk. Very, very nice indeed. We've got some little LED lights just in this section just here, which indicate whether you're using the RF connection, Bluetooth, and the USB connection just here with some battery status. So really nicely laid out keys. Let's take a listen to how it sounds and then I'll give you my opinion. I've been testing this for a couple of weeks now. When I first got the keyboard, the transition period was pretty much negligible. I was right at home typing on this. The actual travel on the keys is absolutely superb. They're very responsive. You've got that really nice linear feel to the keys and just such a fast response time. For gaming, this is ideal. It is an absolutely superb choice of keyboard. For productivity, equally as good. I found it so comfortable to type on and so precise. I've also experienced a really robust connection. I've mainly been using it via the Bluetooth connection, but of course you can use it wired or RF as well. Its construction is simply superb. It's a very, very nice looking keyboard, and the addition of that really effective RGB backlighting is the cherry on top of the cake. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to purchase one of these for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description. There's also a link down there to the manufacturer's website. And if you enjoyed my video, I'd really appreciate you hitting that like button, and please also consider subscribing. It really does help the channel out, and I publish a new tech video pretty much every single day. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you in another video very, very soon.